Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, gonna discuss about how we can restore TikTok deleted videos. So first you have to make sure the TikTok application is updated and then click on TikTok application. Here tap on the three dot lines, then go into setting and privacy. Scroll down and you will see this activity center. Tap on it. Here there is a lot of options right there, so you have to tap on recently deleted. Here you can see that there is my post which I have recently deleted, so I can restore from there by tapping on restore option. Now go back on the timeline and swipe up. Here you will see that my deleted post is right there on my page. I hope the tutorial is very helpful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.